guys, I hope you are well. Let's start today's video by preparing some simple vegetable rice, and this is what I am going to be using. So this is my rice. I have just put it here so that it can completely dry up. I'm going to be using some onions, some ginger, some carrots, and some peas. Peas is back and it's really affordable right now. So in case you love peas, I just go to the market and get some. This is for 50 shillings and it's quite a lot. Actually, I'm not going to use all of it. I'm going to divide it into two. I'm going to do a detailed recipe, but I don't have many vegetables to add into my rice. You can add as much as you can. You can add the capsicum if you want. The red and the yellow one, they really give the rice some good color. But to start with, I'm just going to do a very simple one. Let's wait to the end and see how it's going to turn out. If you have turmeric, you can also add. For mine, I'm just using the carrots and the peas, and let's wait for the turnout, guys. So the first thing I'm doing is boiling my rice. There are so many ways that you can prepare this rice, but this is the most preferred method for me. Maybe you can comment down below what method you love. I'm waiting for my water to boil. I'll first boil my rice, and as the rice boils, I'll also boil my peas a little bit. Yeah, there are so many ways of just preparing this rice. Maybe you can choose whatever method is preferable for you.
One of us seems to circle the other, and as you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watches the breeze, burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear. And as the days shine idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, awaiting your arrival. I never expect to be sane without it. Oh, you could.
After the peas has already cooked, there is nothing more left other than frying the vegetables. At this point, this is where you just fry everything together, and after they have steamed a little bit, just mix up your rice. Vegetable rice is very easy to make, and it's as simple as that. And that's why I prefer the method of first boiling, then I fry the vegetables separately, after which I mix. Just wait and see how our vegetable rice looks so good. And my rice came out 1-1, that is haikushikana, and the end product was just so good.
All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. So very clever, leaving me to wonder what you hide.
As you can see, my peas look really beautiful. And if you want your peas to remain green, always ensure that you boil them with a little bit of salt. And after they have finished cooking, you either stop the cooking by washing them with cold water, and if you don't wash them, just put them open as I have done. Then you will realize that they will not lose the green color.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered.
For the mixing, I normally use a fork. Reason because I don't have the right spoon to mix, and you can also use a knife, but just make sure it does not hit the aluminium part because it makes some crazy sounds. Yeah, if you have that right spoon for mixing, then you can use it. Don't use a cooking stick or the mwiko because it will just smash the rice and you will end up having rice that imeshikana, I mean the ugali like rice. So just use a fork, it mixes really well.
I was swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Growing altered by the moment, dear. And as the days turn idle, sweet on survival.
That was the turnout, and you can see how good it looks. I only wish I had more vegetables. It would even have looked better. Even when you use turmeric, the color tends to be a bit yellow, and it's also a good one. For the stew, I just cooked some potato beef stew, and yeah, we took it alongside with some avocados. Yeah, just enjoy the music as I cook.
I was swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger ocean. Tell me, darling, is this what you want? Oh, and all you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. So very clever, leaving me to wonder what you hide.
For the tomatoes on this day, I just grated them other than blending because I was only using one. And for the carrots and potatoes, I mixed them all together. Yeah, I normally allow my carrots to cook a little bit because of my daughter. She doesn't love crunchy items.
Memories die out too hard. And we were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tease. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. just waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
So guys, this is the following morning. I really wanted the video to end the previous night after cooking, but I was not able to. I slept very tired, and I had to wake up and just clean up after my baby left for school. So let's clean up so that we can just end the video. At this juncture, allow me to just welcome all my new subscribers. I am very grateful for your support. I don't take it for granted. Thank you for finding it worth for me to have your subscription. May God bless you. My returnees and my premier gang, I have a special place for you in my heart. Thank you so much for always creating some time to come and support me. I don't take it for granted, guys. I had to cut off most of the cleaning part because I felt like we do so much cleaning at times. Yeah, after that, I went ahead to just prepare my breakfast, and I really did some simple breakfast because I was not in the moods of cooking anything. You know it, when you're left in the house alone, sometimes someone is not able to do a lot of cooking. So I just had some loaf of bread for breakfast and some tea, and that was it.
I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
I hope you can now cook some vegetable rice because that was my main highlight of this video. And let me know in the comment section, what do you use for your vegetable rice? Bye bye guys, let me see you in my next video, but make sure you finish this one up to the end.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fault.